Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Welcome.
Welcome. Happy Wine Wednesday. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Lisa.
And we are the duo behind Sorelli. We are here to talk a little bit about some of the things that inspire my mom, who still leads our design team. One of those things is gardening. So we're outside on a beautiful fall day. How have you been transitioning your garden to fall?
Okay, well, first of all, you have to know I'm a die-hard gardener. Love summertime. So I want to extend the season as best I can. So I planted some new mums, and I mulch them real heavy in hopes that they'll come back next year, because normally they don't. Coral and purple and dark red, they're going to be really pretty. But the funniest story here is, because I'm such a die-hard, I never want summer to end. I took this bunch of sedum back here that's normally light pink, and we've had a couple frosts already, and they turn brown, and I get heartbroken. So I took spray paint and spray painted them so they look really natural.
They really do.
So it really helps extend my season, and it makes me so happy.
If you look very closely, you can see pink on the leaves, and that is because there are spray paint remnants. Because my mom is crazy, and she is no joke when it comes to making sure.
But maybe someday you'll do it.
I mean, it's a pretty great garden hack. So this is Lily and Lisa telling you have full permission to spray paint flowers in your garden if it makes you happy and it makes it more beautiful, right? Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Bye.